Hi sweetie, what's new? This is Sogyam, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet Irish crochet lace flower. So let's see together. Wrap the yarn around your pin 5 times, once, twice, 3, 4 and 5. Insert your hook and loop, chain 1, make single crochets all around your ring. To fill it, make single crochets all around to fill it. I crochet round one, then make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Again, make single crochets all around. Please fill the circle several rounds until the hole in the middle disappears. Okay? Then crochet, single crochets, and you should end up with 18 stitches. The hole in the middle of the circle has disappeared, and let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Make a slip stitch in 18th stitch. Now I'm going to crochet chain 3. Turn your work and chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over, go under, go left and loop, yarn over and loop twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6 and 7 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops. Insert your hook in next stitch and pull loop, then chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains. This is my first puff. Yarn over and pull loop once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6 and 7 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops. Insert your hook in next stitch and pull loop and chain 3. Yarn over and pull loop once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6 and 7 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops, insert your hook in next stitch and pull loop and chain 3. Keep going. And the last time, yarn over and pull loop once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6 and 7 times. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through all loops and chain 1. Make a slip stitch in next puff stitch. I crocheted 18 puff stitches 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. Make a slip stitch in the middle. Now chain 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yarn over 3 times to make a double triple crochet. In the middle of these two next puff stitches, yarn over, pull through 2 4 times, yarn over 3 times again in the middle of next two puff stitches. Then chain 6 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Then make a single crochet in the middle of next two puff stitches. This is my first petal. Chain 6, yarn over 3 times and make a double triple crochet in the middle of next two puff stitches. Yarn over 3 times to make a double triple crochet in the middle of next two puff stitches. At the end, chain 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 and make a single crochet in the middle of next two puff stitches. Please crochet 6 petals. Keep repeating. I crochet 6 petals at the end, chain 6 and make a slip stitch in first stitch. Now I'm going to crochet in first petal. Make 7 single crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now make a single crochet in the middle of these two double triple crochets and make 7 single crochets again. 3 4 5 6 and 7. Once more, make 7 single crochets in next space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Make a single crochet in the middle and make 7 single crochets again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Keep going. I crocheted 6 petals at the end. Make a slip stitch in the single crochet of the previous row. Make a single crochet in first single crochet, make a half double crochet in next stitch, make 4 double crochets in next 4 stitches. 1 2 3 and 4. Make 2 triple crochet in next stitch. This is my 1 and 2 in same stitch. make a triple crochet next stitch, chain 3 and make a pocket. Make a triple crochet again in same stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times. Make a triple crochet in next stitch, make a triple crochet again in same stitch, make 4 double crochets in next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make a half double crochet and make a single crochet. My first bottle is ready. Now once more, make a single crochet, make a half double crochet, make 4 double crochets in next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make 2 triple crochets in next stitch. This is my 1 and 2. Make a triple crochet in the middle, chain 3 and make a pocket. Make a triple crochet again in same stitch. Make 2 triple crochets in next stitch, same stitch. Make 4 double crochets in next 4 stitches. This is my 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make a half double crochet and make a single crochet. Keep going. At the end of the round, make a slip stitch in first single crochet, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thank you for watching my video and for your time. We appreciate your feedback. If you liked the video, please share its link with your friends. Talk to you later. Bye.